All right, we're at Home Depot and we're taking a look at these tools. It's $149. It was $229. Is that really a good deal for this combo set? Let's check and find out. All right here you have a piece set for $9.97. 30 pieces. Is that a good deal? Let's find out. Okay, here we have some battery packs. These are $149. They were $199. Is that really a good deal or not? Let's see. And then below here, this is $129. Is that the cheapest price? And then over here, we have these. This is a 120 volt for $129. Is that a good deal? And then over here, we have the Cordless 16 gauge finishing nail trimmer. It is $299. And that's the tool only, so no battery comes with that. And then here you have a framing nailer for $299 as well. Is that a good deal? And then over here, we have a vacuum, a little mini vacuum for $9.99. It looks like that is right down here. And then we have a light. This is $7.99. And then we have some speakers that are also $7.99. And then we have the Orbital sander, which is $79. So is that a good deal or not? And over here we have some brad nailers. We have an 18 gauge. We have a 20 volt 23 gauge. And we have an XR 18 gauge. This is an exclusive, and it's the tool only. So these are all $249. Is that really a good deal? All right, then right here we have a atomic 20 volt drill for $9.99. Is that a good deal? And then we have this little socket wrench set or bit set for $9.97. And then we have another drill that is over here, and it comes with the battery and everything for $9.99. Is that a good deal or not? Over here we have some miter saws for $3.99. And you can get a workbench stand over here for $8.99. Good deal or not? We got some drill bits for $14.99 or $14.97. And we have this little modular angle attachment for $19.79. And then we have some clamps for $34.97. You get a set of 4. And then we have these sets right here of bits for $19.88. And right here we have a whole bunch of stackless containers for $49.88. Hard to see the price. And then we have some larger ones right here. I do not know what the price is. $119. And then we have some smaller ones. Here they are. Here's the prices on all of this for this whole system. Is that a good deal? Here's just the tabletop, so you can kind of just build the whole system there for $79.98. I don't know. Is that good or not? We'll find out. And here's the drawers. And we got some lithium-ion starters for your car for $9.98. Good deal? I don't know. Let's find out. And then we have a larger one here for $19.99. And then we got an inflator. This is what this is. Yeah, $19.99. And this right here is a bit combo set for $19.88.